malinis ko naman sinasabi, sobrang happy and proud sa team. And I know or we know naman talaga na pinaghihirapan din lahat ng magiging result na yun. So, yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for KD, this was a 5-set game, but you really powered the offense for Signal as well. Like, what can you say about how the entire team performed against Dreamline?
The entire team performed well. I feel like we had a slower start, or maybe the start, not necessarily, but like the second set, the third set. There were some misconnections, miscommunications, and then we started panicking a little bit, but we were able to come all together. As always, I have to say the team helped me a lot. I was able to come out of whatever was happening in my head, and we were able to come together and finish the match like we did. I'm super grateful for that, and it just felt really awesome.
Thank you. And for Jessa, only 9 points in this game, pero grabe yung contributions were really crucial for Signal, especially in that last stretch. Ano lang siguro yung tumatakbo sa isip mo wanting to contribute to the game?
Siguro, parang yung time na yun na pinasok ako ni Coach, parang sabi ko, tapangan ko lang. Kasi syempre kinakabahan din naman ako, pero parang nakita ko yung tiwala ng mga coaches and teammates sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, ilaro ko na lang yung kaya kong laruin. Yes.
Either for something for question.
Coach, sa tingin nyo lang ano yung nagbago sa team? Kasi 5 of the last 6 games, nakuha niyo yung panalo eh. Ito, maganda pa yung positioning yung pagdating sa quarterfinals.
Ano
yung nakita yung nagbago sa team? Kaya napanalo yung 5 of the last 6 games.
I think siguro yung mga past experiences namin, especially nakaka-encounter kami ng yung pagkatalo, siguro yung naging mindset din namin going to second round na kailangan trabahuin talaga namin. And pag-ingatan talaga kung ano yung mga kailangan namin gawin. And siguro yung kagustuhan, willingness din ng buong team, yung mga players namin, dahil nakita ko naman sa training na all out naman sila nagalagi. Hindi ganun ka-consistent, but ano ba, kumbaga nasusunod naman kung ano yung mga game plan, and at the same time, yun, mas nagiging productive yung nangyayari kasi pagdating ng game, mas nag-all out.
To Petri, heading to this game, were you aware that Dreamline is a defending champion, one of the Peruvian champions here in the PBL? How did you approach the game heading to this one?
I was aware they are defending champions, but I don't think that made any difference for me or for the team. We're talking how we beat Zeus, who was undefeated until we beat him. And I think even Akari, like after those 2 matches, I felt like we could beat anybody. And we proved it again tonight. Like all those teams are really, really good teams, and we just played together and played stronger, and we were able to win.
For Jessa, yung Signal, alam natin maraming magagaling na spikers din sa team. So tonight, dun sa chance na nakuha mo, ano ang feeling na napatunayan mo, kasama ka rin sa round na yun na isa rin sa mga reliable spikers.
Siguro po, sobrang tumas ko yung kumpiyansa ko na parang na-realize ko na kaya ko pala may pala ako na yun na po, tumaas ako kumpiyansa ko at hindi po ako titigil at like masobrahan pa po. Mag-improve pa po.
Coach, sa mga laban niyo sa Dreamline, karamihan din yung mga 5-set games na siguro tonight, ano po yung naging siguro? Kaya sa lagi kayong magkakinakot sa Dreamline mga 5 sets, ngayon na dali mo
I think yung sinabi ko kanina, siguro yung nagustuhan talagang manalo ng team. And then yung focus din. Medyo struggle din kami nung second and third set. Mahabol pero syempre layo na ng lamang. So, I think good thing kasi yung makarecover kami ng fourth set and fifth set. So, think malaking factor ngayon yung mga past experiences namin, kung gaano namin tinatanggap yung lahat ng challenges, yung pag-accept lang din sa mga, especially yung mga pagkatalo namin na hopefully or magawa talaga namin na mag-iba yung result. So, I think isa to sa guro yung result ko sa lahat ng pinaghirapan namin. And mas magiging eager pa kami and inspired para mas mag-improve yung
Coach, after yun yung 0 start, ngayon nasa 5th place kayo sa standings, what does this say natin about yung sa kumbaga yung laban na pinakita na second round of this conference?
Sobrang happy, yun nga, and then nakaka-proud yung team dahil, yan, like Jessa din, kapag kailangan talagang nag-step up, and hindi dahil na maganda lang yung game niya today, kasi everyday talaga workout niya, and sobrang laki ng impact sa amin ni Katie, but I think hindi pa rin enough kung anong meron ngayon, but for sure mag-work hard pa siya, and magkakaroon pa kami ng mas malaking plano going to the quarterfinals, and yeah, hopefully mas makapag-perform pa kami ng chance.
Coach, gano'n ang kalaking mo ng gusto nitong win ako kasi syempre yung team na maaari nyo rin makatapat sa quarterfinals.
Yeah. Siyempre, yung panalo na to, sobrang malaking impact para sa amin, and babaunin namin to going to quarterfinals. But hindi namin kailangan madaliin, siguro meron kami ilang days pa para mag-prepare. So, for now, yun, celebrate talaga namin yung panalo namin dahil sobrang happy kami dito sa nakuha namin panalo, and mas magpupursige pa kami para mas maging okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.